children, how are you? I think are all you fine. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 5. What it is? Fairs and circuses, right? Okay. So we are going to start. This is chapter number 5, fairs and circuses. Children, what is the meaning of fairs? Do you know? Say yes or no. What is the meaning of fairs? Okay, I am telling. A fair is generally the gathering of people for entertainment purpose. There are so many stalls in a fair. We can buy different food and other items in a fair. There are many traditional fairs held in our country. Fairs are also held to provide different entertainment shows to people in a fair. Children enjoy fairs very much as there are many activities for them. Fair is also called as Mela, right? Okay, that is the meaning of fairs. And what is the meaning of circuses? You all know. Say yes or no. Do you go to circuses? Say yes or no. Yes, सर्कस जाते हैं ना हम सब देखने के लिए. It is very entertaining. There are many animals, jokers. There are so many fun at the circus. We can enjoy a lot. Okay, come to here. Do you remember? Circle the picture of the animals that you see in a circus. Children, do yourself. You have to circle the picture, the animals that you see in a circus. Okay? Do you understand? Say yes or no. Okay. Come to here. Fairs. Fairs have always been a part of the Indian culture. Even today, most villages have their weekly fairs. These fairs are very colorful. People from nearby villages come to sell their product. Okay, what is the meaning of fairs? A fairs is generally the gathering of people for entertainment purposes. So there are so many stalls in a fair. We can purchase so many things. Yes, say yes or no. There are so many stalls of different things, and most of the village have their weekly fairs. In this fair, it is very colorful. People from nearby villages come to sell their products. They are also buying things of daily use from these fairs. In towns and cities, which types of fair are held? Fairs often take the shape of feasts. Fairs often take the shape of the feasts or carnivals. Here are some famous fairs or melas held in our country. There are so many famous fairs and melas held in our country. Okay, children, what is the meaning of feasts? The meaning of feasts is a public function held outdoors and organized to raise funds for charity, including entertainment and the sale of goods. Now we will come here different types of fairs. Ram Leela, Kullu Manali. Look at the picture here. Ram Leela, Kullu Dashera Mela in Kota, Nagaur Fair, Ganga Sagar Fair, the Goa Carnival, Diwali Mela, Pushkar Mela. Okay, these are different types of fairs or melas held in our country. Okay, then after I will explain. Okay. Ram Leela. Okay, there are different types of fairs. First is Ramlila. Why do we celebrate Ramlila? Do you know, children? Anyone can tell? Why do we celebrate Ramlila? Okay, we celebrate Ramlila because on this day, Lord Ram killed that Daman king Ravan. Right? Do you understand? Say yes or no? Ramlila is a 10-day Hindu folk drama held all over India, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Delhi. Ramlila ends on Vijayadashmi. See the picture here. Okay, next, Kullu Dashera. Kullu Valley of Himachal Pradesh celebrates a beautiful 10 days festival. Kullu Dashera, it attracts a large number of tourists from India and abroad. Kullu Dashera attract the tourist from India and abroad. Next one is Dashera Mela in Kota. It is one of the biggest melas in Rajasthan. ये राजस्थान का सबसे बड़ा मेला है. Okay, then come to the Nagaur fair. Nagaur is a small town in Rajasthan. A fair for trading cattle and camels is held here every year in the month of January and February. And it is the second biggest fair in India. People from all over Rajasthan come to buy and sell camels and cattle in this mela. People from all over Rajasthan come to buy and sell camels and cattle. The animals are decorated with bells hanging around their necks. There are also some melas: Ganga Sagar Fair, the Goa Carnival, Diwali Mela, and Pushkar Mela. Okay. Now, fun at the circus. So, what is the meaning of circus? I told you. Okay, a circus is a very entertaining place. Circus is a group of performers constantly on the move. Exciting activities are performed by human beings as well as animals. In the circus, we can see the performance of human beings as well as animals also. Yes. In a circus, generally there is an oval or round shaped stage inside a large tent. There is a large tent which is an oval or round shaped. The sitting arrangement is created all around the stage. Children like to see the well-trained and decorated animals performing on the stage. Elephants sometimes amuse viewers by playing with a football. Baby elephants raise their trunks and salute. Children, when we go in the circus, we see some elephants play with footballs. Animals play football. Elephants play with football. Baby elephants raise their trunks and salute. Children, tell me, in the circus, who is the most entertaining person? Tell me. Clown. What? Clowns. Clowns means joker. Okay. The clowns add fun and laughter to the show. Okay. Okay. This is all about the circus. Circus is a very entertaining place where we when we go in the circus, there are so many human beings and animals performed in a circus. Generally there is an oval and round shaped stage inside a large